Hi everyone, and welcome back to Uh-Oh, She's in the Kitchen. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to make sticky Asian beef. I'm excited to try this recipe with you guys. I found this recipe while I was scrolling on Instagram. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. All right, the ingredients that I will be using: ground beef, onions, garlic, some delicious Thai chili pepper. I'm gonna be using like 4. You don't have to use that many. You could just use 1 or 2 just to give it that little kick to it. But like I've mentioned before, I love my food to be spicy. Oyster sauce, sweet chili sauce, sesame oil, and mirin. Okay, first things you want to do is chop up your onion. I already have mine all chopped up, so I'm going to set this to the side. Next, we're going to chop up our garlic. Next, we're going to cut up our Thai chili peppers. All right, now in a pan, we're going to go ahead and add some oil. I'm going to turn on the burner to medium-high and let the oil warm up before I add my garlic and onion. All right, now that my oil is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and garlic, and I will saute that for maybe a minute or 2. Okay, now that I've sauteed my garlic and onions, I'm gonna go ahead and add ground beef to the pan. Now I'm going to separate my ground beef. All right, now my ground beef is thoroughly cooked. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the Thai chili peppers. I'm gonna give this a little mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add soy sauce. I did forget to say that at the beginning. So soy sauce is a key ingredient to this recipe. Adding mirin, sweet chili sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce. Give it a good mix so all the flavors get incorporated. All right, now that all the ingredients are nicely incorporated, we can see that it's simmering. We can reduce the heat or turn it off completely, and it's ready to be served. All right, now it's time to give our sticky Asian beef a taste test. I paired mine with some white rice and also some cucumber salad. Wow, the sticky Asian beef is absolutely delicious. I love the sweet and the spiciness to it. I love the Thai chili peppers in it. I love all the sauces that we added to it. It absolutely turned amazing. I highly recommend this recipe. So delicious. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I mentioned earlier, this recipe was very easy. It was also super easy to follow. It's packed with flavors. I love the spiciness with the sweetness combined. This beef was so delicious. I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description box, as well as the measurements. I will also tag the person of where I found this recipe from. And I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I want to create a space where we all feel comfortable and confident in the kitchen, especially for those of us like me. More so, I never had someone that kind of helped me navigate around the kitchen and or like hand down family recipes. You know, I do wish I had that, but that's what I'm trying to create here, a community where we can all get together and enjoy cooking and enjoy baking and just eat delicious food. So again, if you guys like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.